Truth is, I am Iron Man.
It's impossible.
Tony Stark was able to build this in a cave with a bunch of scraps.
Point is, you're welcome, I guess, because I'm your nuclear deterrent. It's working. We're safe. America is secure. You want my property? You can't have it. But I did you a big favor. I have successfully privatized world peace.
It's down. We got no backup here.
I'm calling Veronica. My turn. Shakespeare in the Park?
Doth mother know you weareth her drapes?
This is beyond.